no time, never let you go. I'ma be like Usher, give it to you nice and slow. All the girls around the world got nothing on you. You know you got it, girl. You got it. I want you to follow me, follow me, follow me.
You ain't gotta deal with none of these niggas no more. Got a lot of faith, but let me tell you, I like you a lot, baby. Know you want to shoot with the red bottom, baby.
Hey kings and queens, welcome back to my channel. So today I decided to go ahead and do this video for you guys where I am going to be like all in pink. My eyeshadow is going to be pink inspired, and then of course featuring this beautiful hair that I have on my head. If y'all have seen these pictures posted on my Instagram, oh wait, check out my Instagram if you guys want to see the pictures that I'm talking about. Y'all don't forget to follow my Instagram page. Thank you guys in advance for the support. I love you guys. We're gonna go ahead and do this pink inspired look. So my eyebrows are looking kind of sperm cell at the moment. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows off camera, and I'll be right back in 1, 2, 3. All right guys, so we are switching over to voiceover. Y'all, I haven't done a voiceover in so long. So we're gonna be going in with the Warrior 3 palette, none other. I'm going to be priming my eyelids with some concealer. First I had to pull my hair back because you don't want any of my beautiful hair to be going into the concealer. That's not going to be cute. The shade that I am using for my concealer is the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Beautiful Bronze. And I'm just going to be blending that out with a BH Cosmetics brush. If you guys want to know like the brush sets that I'm using, definitely just comment down below and I'll personally comment or message you back on the brush set that I was using. Alright guys, so going into the Warrior 3 palette, I'm going to be taking the only popping pink shade in the palette, and I'm going to be using my finger to apply it. And of course, make sure to blend out the concealer, y'all. I'm telling y'all, this freaking eyeshadow is so pigmented. It is crazy. And it's the shade Fenty or Fonty. But yeah, I just literally used my finger and I just kept applying, you know, layer after layer after layer. I don't even know how many layers I did, y'all, but it was a lot. As you can see, I went in on this eyeshadow. So after I applied all of that eyeshadow on my lid, I basically went in with my Sephora Pro crease brush and just blended out and diffused the top part of that, you know, packing of the eyeshadow. Because you don't want it to be sitting on your eyelid looking like, oh, I'm here I am. No, you want to go ahead and blend that out and diffuse it to make it look all nice and blended, which is what I did. And it was easy to blend as well. I kid you not, that is all I did. I'm moving on to the next eye because it's that simple. It's just making sure that you don't have any creases on your eyelids. So adding the concealer as the base, popping on that pink eyeshadow, and then blending it out at the top with the crease brush. Alright guys, so I'm moving on to my face. I already went in and applied my vitamin C serum to my skin, then my primer, which is the LA Girl Pro Prep Primer. And then I'm going to be going in with my Juvia's Place foundation, and it is the I Am Magic Velvet Foundation, and it is in the shade Malawi, number 230, Malawi. You guys already know with this foundation, I typically tend to put it in specific areas, just underneath my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, and above on my top lip. So I keep it in the center of my face and then blend it out with the foundation brush. Ooh, lace. We can see it. Oh. Anyways, I'm going in with my concealer. This is the Beautiful Bronze Concealer. And I just put it in the necessary areas. So underneath my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, and the top of my lip. And then I'm going to be blending it out with my Real Techniques sponge. Okay, so real quick, I wanted to add a little itty bitty, like, you know, amount of highlight underneath my eyes in that area with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Toffee, just to make my under eyes kind of pop just a little bit more instead of it looking like a one skin color. We are going in with the setting powder. I am basically kind of like gesturing y'all to look up. Make sure that your under eyes are blended before you start setting it with powder, because you cannot go back with it creasing and you do not want that. So yeah, I'm just looking up and applying my powder. And I also blow off excess powder so it's not too cakey, because this powder can get a little bit, you know, casket sharp, casket ready. So yeah, then I'm just going to be dusting off the excess powder with my Real Techniques Face Expert brush. Video is going by kind of fast, I ain't even gonna lie. I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty face powder. This is actually their bronzer. I'm in the shade Cocoa Naughty, and I just like to use the bronzer and like basically just use it as a face powder all over my face, just to bring back the life and color in my skin. And then I'm going to be using my bronzer for the Warrior 2 palette by Juvia's Place, and I'm going to be going in with the shade Jamada, I think is what it's called. Oh no, sorry, it's called Kufuru. And I just like to, you know, do a little kissy face and make sure that I get my cheekbones nice and carved. That shade in this palette is so pigmented and so rich and brown and just really, really beautiful. So yeah, and then after that I just went in with the red shade in this palette for my blush, and it's a very pretty nice shade just to put on top. Both of those colors together are beautiful. Last but not least, for the face, we are going in with my infamous, famous, favorite highlighter. Yes, that glow is amazing. I love it. It's the Milani Strobe Light highlighter in the shade Glowing, or number 4. And y'all, it's so affordable. It's drugstore. It's like what, $4 I think, $3 or $4. So I'm moving on to the lips now. I'm going to be using my LA Colors eyeliner pencil, the same one I use for my brows, in the shade Simma Brown. And then I'm going to be going in with my liquid lip cream, which is from AMC Cosmetics. Yeah, it's just a really, really pretty nude. I will leave all of the names to things like that in the description box for you guys. And then I'm going on top of that combo with the STUSH lip gloss in the shade, I think it's Poppin'. It's from the same hair company that I got this hair from. So yeah, shout out to her. The lip gloss is amazing, smells great, it's just great quality. And lips are truly popping. So yeah, y'all check out her products. So I'm back from the voiceover. So yeah, this makeup look is really, really close to being done. I just gotta do on my lashes, and then we gotta spray the face and everything. But first, I'm gonna go ahead and spray my face. You guys know that I like to use rose water instead of setting spray, because it just gives me a better glow, in my opinion. And I don't know, I just love the way that it looks. I'm just gonna go ahead and spray my rose water. This is the one I like to use by Advanced Clinicals. It's the rose water toner. It's only $4.99. So yes, and I got this from Ross. So y'all need to look in the beauty section at Target, not Target because they're kind of expensive, but no, y'all need to look in the beauty section at TJ Maxx, Ross. They have a lot of these sprays. I need to get some more because like it's at the bottom, but I need to get more. I'm just gonna go ahead and spray my face, but first we have to cover the lace. That rhymed. So you don't get a bunch of like splatters on your face. I would do it from a distance. You gotta have an even spray. You can't be uneven with it, because it's not gonna look good when you dry. When it's drying, it's just not gonna look good. So, ooh, I just love the way rose water makes my skin look. Oh my god. Move from the door. So last but not least, I'm gonna go ahead and put on some lashes, because this will take this eye look to the next level. Of course, I'm gonna be using the same person I got this beautiful hair from. She does hair, makeup, lashes, she does lip glosses. I use the STUSH lip gloss. I think this is in the flavor or shade Poppin', because I said flavor because it does kind of taste good, and it also smells really, really good. Like, I freaking love the way this smells. So yeah, it's a really, really pretty lip gloss. And then I'm gonna be using her lashes, and this is in the style So Sultry. I'm gonna go ahead and pop these on off camera, and I'll be right back. right, my kings and queens, you have made it to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed another one of these one color eyeshadow looks. Honestly, that Juvia's Place palette, you can do so many different looks with this, but I just was like, you know what, let me go ahead, since I did a yellow one, let me go ahead and do another one, a pink one. And it's so easy because literally all I used was one eyeshadow and my finger. I didn't even have to use a brush. Last but not least, I'm gonna go ahead and give a big shout out to STUSH hair for sending me this hair. She's a Black owned business and she's doing her thing on the Instagram and on her own website, got her own business page. You guys, I will leave all the hair details in the description box for this hair. This is her loose curly 13x4 frontal wig, and y'all, it looks amazing. I customized it myself, and I'll show you guys a few quick clips of what the hair, you know, was looking like straight out the box.
Yes, it's time to say, baby, baby, how you make me feel when you come to mind. I can't keep my cool, baby, baby. I can't hold it inside. I can't wait these days just to see you. Trying to move in closer to where you are. Trying to be rude, baby.
The density is 150% and the inches that I'm wearing is 18. I did not cut it at all. This is exactly 18 inches. It looks absolutely amazing. All the links for her website, her Instagram page, her business pages, they're all going to be in the description box, so you guys don't forget to check out this hair. And if you want to get some coins off, like who doesn't want to get dollars off of your entire purchase, use code QUEEN9. Show her some support from the QueenKee fam and go ahead and follow her on her Instagram page. Once again, I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video all the way through. You're a real one. I love you guys and I will see you in the next video. Peace out. Hi.
If I got a feeling, I keep it inside my heart. And I keep a pedicure cause I don't do facade. You can see my diamonds even when I'm in the dark.